Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to clean two really baked on messes. One is in my air fryer and one is in my oven. So let's get started. So the two things I'm going to clean today are my air fryer. It's kind of hard to see on camera here, but it has very caked on like nasty greasy food. The bottom is pretty nasty too. We have been lazy about it and we've actually been putting these parchment paper liners in the bottom to cook things, and so the mess that was already there has just gotten worse. And then the other thing I'm going to clean today is this really old sheet pan that I just put in the bottom of my oven on the bottom rack to catch anything that might drip so it doesn't get onto my burner or the bottom of the oven, and it's just a lot easier to clean on a tray rather than in the oven. The cleaning products we're going to be using are oven cleaner, Scour Daddy sponges, a metal scraper, and saran wrap. So you do need to shake the oven cleaner before you use it. And now we are going to spray a pretty hefty amount right into our messy pan here. Let me turn it this way so you can actually see what I'm doing. And we're going to coat everything that's caked on and burnt on pretty heftily with this spray. And I'm going to spray the bottom of this too. Now this product tends to need time to sit and work, but it also dries out during that time. So we're going to take a piece of saran wrap here and just lay it right over our mess. That way it's not going to be exposed to the air and it's not going to dry out, and it can have time to sit and work for us. It'll just mean less scrubbing for us in the end, which I am a fan of. Alright, next up is our very burnt on sheet pan here. And again, we will cover it with saran wrap. And now we just need to give it time. All right, it has been about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take our saran wrap off. And you can see it's pretty dirty and dirty, so it has already worked through some of that burnt on mess. And I'm gonna start by using my scraper. Since I don't care about this sheet pan, whether I scratch it or not, I'm going to use this. You can use scrapers pretty safely on most things and they won't scratch it if you use the right angle. But on this I'm not going to be super careful. So as you can see, this is the really stuck on stuff. So we just give it an extra scrape here. And we may need to spray it again and let that sit just, a little bit longer on those kind of nastier spots. Look at that. Ugh. Now I'm just going to use some hot water here just to kind of spray off what we've already dislodged. Now I'm going to take our Scour Daddy, which is basically a scouring sponge. It has the steel wool inside of it, I believe, and it has kind of a rough mesh outer coating. So we're just going to get this nice and damp and see if anything else comes off while we scrub. And I may add a little bit of dish soap here. Alright, so this still doesn't look wonderful because we've used it for so many years in the oven, but it is smooth to the touch, and I don't have any more of this caked on, burnt on grime, and it is ready to go back in the oven. Up next, let's check on our air fryer basket. And again, it's pretty nasty. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go on in with our scraper here. And as you can see, it is just gliding through this burnt on food. It is so soft now. Before it was crusty and hard, and I never would have gotten it off without this cleaner. We're making progress. So I'm going to take some hot water here and just spray out what we've already gotten to come off. So now you can see there is no hard crusty stuff here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my dish soap and my Scour Daddy sponge, and we're going to scrub the inside thoroughly because this does have, you know, it's going to have food on it, so I don't want any of the oven cleaner left on it because I don't really want to, you know, put that in my mouth and eat that. So we're going to make sure we just get all the chemical residue off and we get it as clean as possible. You can see now that it is much cleaner. Some of these stains are still kind of stuck on. If I really wanted to get them off, you could use Power Paste by Scrub Daddy, but I'm not too worried about it because it's just going to go back into the air fryer, and it just kind of has like a seasoned look to it now. All right, let's work on this bottom piece here. Look at that. Look at all that gunk in there. It's so gross, but so satisfying. Dish soap. Scour Daddy sponge. Well, this is ready to go back in the air fryer. It is beautifully clean using these products here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.